Hey, my name is Mike Serant. I'm the master formulator of MicroLife organic fertilizers, the best product to use to maintain very healthy lawns and gardens. We've had a delightful spring, and now we know we're going to be moving into a delightful summer. So our outside family is going to need some wonderful help from us. So why don't we give our plants, the lawns, the gardens, the perennials, the vegetables, the type of nutrition that they're going to need to make sure they thrive for you during the summer. So what we have is a couple of these products that will work absolutely great during the summer. One of your base products is going to be MicroLife Green 624, all multi-purpose. You put it everywhere, all the lawns, all the flowers, all the perennials, all the ground covers. It's outstanding nutrition, and it's loaded with microorganisms. And this is what a bag of MicroLife 624 looks like. Beautiful little pellets, got 70 different species of beneficial microorganisms, over 190 minerals and elements, and it does a superb job of making your biological ecosystem and your plants just hum with harmony. So you start with this, apply this all over your lawn and gardens, and then the next thing I would do is I would think about applying MicroLife Humate Plus. We call this concentrated compost in a bag. This is another sensational product. It's very, very easy to use. Instead of putting out bulk compost, how about some of this in some really nice prills? And your soil and your plants need carbon. Very easy to apply, very inexpensive. Again, everywhere you're growing plants, every place you have soils and plants, you apply these two products. And you can apply them the same day, and it just works out great. Then the other trick to really have great lawns and gardens during the summer is foliar sprays. So foliar sprays, let me mention that organic is all about nutrition, 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 nutrition. The better we feed our organisms, ourselves, our plants, our dogs, the better performance we have. So liquids are fantastic. These are three very popular liquids, and it's very easy to do. You just put them in a pump-up sprayer, and you foliar to the point of drip. And once that has happened, then the plant's got all the nutrients intravenously taken, translocated immediately, and you're reducing stress and increasing performance. So MicroLife, for all your needs all year round, especially great for summer.